A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development, Secretary of State Marco Rubio announced on Wednesday that the Trump administration is launching an investigation into Harvard University's use of international visas. This investigation aims to assess Harvard's ongoing eligibility as a sponsor for the exchange visitor program. Rubio emphasized that the inquiry is crucial to ensure that State Department programs align with national interests. He stated, "All sponsors participating in this program are required to fully comply with exchange visitor regulations, transparency in reporting, and a demonstrated commitment to fostering the principles of cultural exchange and mutual understanding upon which the program was founded." Furthermore, he asserted that the American public has a right to expect universities to uphold national security, adhere to the law, and provide safe environments for all students. The investigation comes in light of ongoing tensions between Harvard and the Trump administration, particularly regarding allegations of anti-Semitism on campus. A spokesperson from Harvard responded to the announcement, claiming it to be a retaliatory action against the university's First Amendment rights. The spokesperson reiterated Harvard's commitment to supporting its international community and ensuring compliance with applicable regulations. This is not the first time Harvard has found itself in a contentious relationship with the administration. Earlier this year, Department of Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem attempted to revoke Harvard's Student and Exchange Visitor Program certification, which would have barred the university from enrolling international students. Noem accused Harvard of fostering violence and anti-Semitism while allegedly coordinating with the Chinese Communist Party. In response, Harvard challenged the revocation in court, arguing that it jeopardized the education of thousands of international students and was an act of retaliation against the university's academic independence. As the legal battles continue, Harvard's student body remains significantly diverse, with a quarter of its students being international. In May, U.S. District Judge Allison Burroughs ruled in favor of Harvard, citing First Amendment grounds and blocking the revocation of the SEVP certification pending further litigation. The judge's ruling also mandated that consular offices continue processing visas for Harvard students, countering the Trump administration's attempts to restrict visa issuance. In a proclamation, President Trump ordered the State Department to deny F-1 and J-1 student visas to foreign nationals seeking to study at institutions under investigation for anti-Semitism or national security violations, explicitly naming Harvard. Judge Burroughs responded to this proclamation, indicating that it appeared to be a punitive measure against Harvard for resisting political pressure rather than a legitimate use of executive immigration authority. Harvard has also returned to federal court to challenge the Trump administration's decision to cut $2.6 billion in funding for research grants and other federal support. During a recent hearing, Judge Burroughs questioned the legality of these funding cuts, but has yet to render a decision. As the situation unfolds, the implications for Harvard University and its international community remain uncertain. The ongoing legal disputes highlight the complex intersection of education, politics, and national security, raising critical questions about the role of universities in fostering a safe and inclusive environment for all students, regardless of their background. As Harvard continues to navigate these challenges, the university remains committed to upholding its academic values and supporting its diverse student body amidst a politically charged atmosphere. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.